क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 देख लेते हैं। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी। It is a statutory body and formed under the Legal Services Authority Act of the 1987. The state government, in the consultation and with the Chief Justice of High Court, constituted it, and district judge is appointed as its the chairman. Choose the correct code. District Legal Service Authority. Second and third. First and second is correct. First and second and third is correct. नहीं मुँह नहीं चाहिए, मैं नहीं खा रही, डिब्बे नहीं दिए थे, मैं नहीं खा रही, मैंने संजना से ले लाओ तो। District Legal Services Authority is the statutory body and that is the formed in the various states of India under the Legal Services Authority Act of the 1987. Its objective is to the provided free and the legal aid and the services to the weaker sections of the society to make sure that the opportunity for the securing justice are not the denial to any the citizens and because of economic or the other disabilities. It is the organized and at the district level at the provide effective monitoring of the legal aid and programs and their the compositions. The state government is the consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court constitute it and the district judge is appointed as its the chairman. Other members and must have the experience and qualifications as the prescribes and by the state government. The government is consulted and with the Chief Justice of the High Court and may the nominate and thus the members and the persons to be the appointed and shall belongs to the state and judicial and services and not lower than rank and then that of either subordinate legal judge or the civil judge and posted at the seat of the district judicial as the secretary of the district authority. Question 49. Consider the following statement about the National Institution Ranking Frameworks NIRF. It is a the methodology to the rank institution of the higher education in India. It is released by the Niti Aayog. First and A, one only. The National Institutional and Ranking Frameworks and NIRF is a methodology and to the rank institutions of the higher education in India and its objective is to the help and the universities to improve their the performance on the various rankings parameters and the identified and gap in the research and areas of the improvement. It is released by the Ministry of the Humans and Research Development MHRD and hence 5 board and categories of the parameters identified and in the NIRF and are teachings, learnings and the resources and TLR research and professionals and practices, graduations and outcomes and outreach and the inclusively and the perspectives. Question number 50. Consider the following statement about the Agra Fort. About the Agra Fort, it has been occupied by the Rajput, Mughal, Jats and the Marathas. It is the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is composition the Jahangir Palace and the Khas Mahals. How many of the above statement are correct? Only one. All threes. First, second, and third is the Agra fort has been occupied and by the Savarals dynasty and including the Rajput, Mughal, Jats and the Marathas. The fort and the underwent construction for the 8 years. For 8 year under the reign of the Akbar in 1565. However, the Archaeological Survey of India ASIN lack knowledge and of the about the world and who built the Agra and fort. The first and the was what changes and it the underwent and during the Akbar region and it is made of the red sandstones and it is become other UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. It comprises the Jahangir's palace and the Khas Mahals and built by the Shah Jahan Diwan A Khas and the two very beautiful mosques and it was the main residence of the emperor of the Mughal dynasty until the 1983-38 and when the capital was shifted from the Agra to Delhi. Question 51. Consider the following statement regarding the E20 fuels. It is the blend of the 80% ethanol and 20% petrol. It is reduce the vehicle's tailpipe emission. It is increase the important bill for the crude oil. How many of the statement? Only one. A is correct. Only one. Explanation. Ethanol is in the agriculture by the product and that in the mainly and obtained from the processing of the sugar from the sugarcane but also from the other sources and such as rice husks or the maize and blending ethanol with the petrol to one and less fossil fuels while running vehicles is called the ethanols and blendings. E20 fuel is a blend of the 20% ethanol and 80% petrol and hence the statement first is incorrect. And E20 fuels reduced the vehicular and tailpipe emissions by the lowering carbon and monoxide and hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide levels. It improves engine and performance and reduced the maintenance cost by the preventing corrosions and the deposits. It is reduced the import bill for the crude oils by the substituting domestic ethanol production. It is other estimated and that either 5% blending 105 crores liters can result in the replacement of the around 1.8 million barrel of crude oil. Question number 52. Cry to AI is the maintained in the context of C transgenic crop. Explanation. The new variety and the cry to AI and Jenny and confers and paste the resistance on the cotton and is also the derived from the bacterium Bacillus and the Thros genesis, while cry to AI targeted avoids the variety of the intense insects and including some coleopterans and beetles. and the dipterans fly species and cry one AC and primarily targeted lepidopteran insects and moth and the butterflies. Which of the following released 53. Consider the following statement regarding the sovereigns gold bond and SGB and schemes. SGB are the issues by the Reserving Bank of India on the behalf of the Government of India. It is the objective is to the mobilize the gold held by the household and the institutions in the country. The tenor of the SGB and will be the for the period of the 5 years and with and the options of the prematures and redemption after the 5 year. Choose the correct code. Choose the correct code. B. First and second. Explanation देख लेते हैं. The SGS and issues. SGBS and are issued by the Reserve Bank of India on the behalf of the Government of India. The main objective of the SGB schemes is to mobilize the gold held by the household and the institutions in the country and reduce the reliance on the impact of the gold over time to meet the domestic demands and promotes FDI in the gold and the jewelry sectors. The tenors of the SGBN will be the for the period of the 8 years and with and the options of the prematures remained redemptions and after the 5 years the minimum permissions and investment will be 1 and the gram of the gold and the maximum limits of the subscriptions and shall be the 4 kg and for the individuals and 4 kg for the HUF and 20 kg and for the trust and the similar entities per fiscals and years the April, March and modified and by the government from times to time. SGBS will be the restricted and for the sale to the resident individuals and HUFS Hindu in undivided families and the trust and universities and the charitable institutions. Question number 54. Consider the following statement. The first Global and World Wild Day and was celebrated in 2023 and by the European Wild Energy and Association EWEA and the theme of the Global Wind and Day 2023 and was the Pavan Urjas and powering the features of India. Choose the correct code. First and second. B. Only 2 is correct. Global Wild Day and is and the annuals and the event since 2007 and to promote the wild energies is as other clean and the renewable sources of the power and it was started by the European Wind Energy Association EWEA and later the joined by the Global Wind Energy Council and GWEC and GWEC is other member-based organization that represents the entire and wind energy sectors on Global Wild Day and 2023 was celebrated on the 15 June 2023 and by the Ministry of New and the Renewable Energy MNRE and with the theme of the Pavan Urja empowering the features of India's and MNRE, and has set the target of 500 GW renewables energy capacities by the 2030, and wind atlas at 150 meters and above the ground level was also the launch and by the National Institution of Wind Energy (NIWE), and estimated the onshore and winds and potential at 1164 GW. 55. Question 54. Recently in the news, and the Manus Island is located in Papua New Guinea. Manus Island is located in Papua New Guinea. Explanations देख लेते हैं. The United States has entered into a landmark security pact with the Papua New Guinea, and the agreement which allow the US military to develop and the operated bases in Papua New Guinea and the grant access to the strategic port and the airport, including the Lom Broom and the naval base on the Manus Island, and facilitated in the port and Moreps by Indonesia, Jakarta, Christmas Island, and the Brunei and Malaysia, Papua Philippines and Papua New Guinea, Manus Island, Port Moresby and Nauru, and Manus Island and Manus region processing centers, and Larangie, Australia. Question 56. Consider the following statement regarding the consent principle and for the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). It is the consent of the state government giving to the CBI, and that can be the either case the specific or the generals, and no states have the withdraw the general consent and givings to the CBI until today and since 1946. Only one is correct. Explanation देख लेते हैं. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) and was established by other resolutions of the Ministry of the Home Affairs and later transferred and to the Ministry of the Personnel and the Public Grievances and the Pensions, and currently functioning as the attachment office. It is established and by recommended by the Santhanam committees and on the prevention of the corruptions. The CBI operated and under the Delhi Special Police established DSPE Act of the 1946. It is neither and either constitutional and nor either statutory bodies, and it investigates and cases related to the bravery and governmental and corruptions breaches of central laws and multi-state organized and crime and the multi-agencies or international cases. The consent of the state government to the CBI can be the either case specific or general, and general consent is normally and given by the state to help the CBI in the seamless investigations and of the cases of corruptions against the central government employees in the states, and this is essentially and consent by the default, and which means CBI may begin the investigation taking the consent and as having been the already given in the absence and of the general consent. CBI and would have to apply to the state government for it the consent in every individual's case and before the taking even small actions. and Mizoram, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Kerala, Jharkhand, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Meghalaya have the withdraw their general consent and giving the CBI, and the states can withdraw the general consent and giving to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) and under the Section 6 of the Delhi Special Police established DSPI Act of 1946. Question number 58. Consider the following statement about the cargo release times, and it is the times taken from the arrivals of the cargo at the custom stations to its the out of the charge, and it is the key and the indicators of the trade efficiency and ease of the doing business, and it is the performance measurements and tools recommended by the World Trade Organization. How many the above statement are correct? 3 are B. Only 2 is correct. एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. Cargo release time is defined as the time taken from the arrivals of the cargo at the customs stations to its the out of the charges for the domestic clearance in case of the import, and the arrivals of the cargo at the customs station to the eventuals and department of the carriers in case of the exports. Cargo release time is the key indicators of the trade efficiency and ease of the doing business, as it's reflected the effectiveness and of the custom produced and others the regulatory process involved in cross border trade, and cargo release time is the measures using time release studies TRS, a performance measurements tool the recommended and by the World Customs. चाय सही हो है ना, तो और रखिए एक गिलास में. World Customs Organization WCO, hence the statement 3 is incorrect. Note: the World Customs Organization WCO is an independent intergovernmental bodies and whose the missions is to the enhances the effectiveness and the efficiency of the custom administration. It is the only international organization with the competences in the customs matters and which can the rightly call itself the voice of the internationals and custom community, and it has its the headquarter in the Brussels and Belgium. Question 58. Which of the following release nation times and release study NTRS and 2023 reports? World Bank 23 reports is Central Board of Indirect Tax and the Customs CBIC. Explanations देख लेते हैं. The Central Board of the Indirect and Taxes and the Customs CBIC and is released the time released study. NTRS report 2023. It has measures the cargo release time and at the various ports in India. The report aims to the assess the progress and made the towards the national trade fashions, trade facilitations and actions plans, and NTFA and targeted identified the impact of the various trade facilitations and initiative, and the identified the challenges to other more expedition and yes reductions in release times. 59. Consider the following statement regarding the Oslo Forums. It is the series of the retreat and for the international conflict mediators and high the levels decisions makers, and it is the co-hosted and by the External Affairs Ministry of India and the Afghanistan. All discussion are the confidential and the take place under the Chatham House rule. Choose the correct options. C1 and 3. Explanation. 59. Oslo Forum is the series of the retreat for the international conflict mediators and high levels and decisions makers and others the peace process actors, and it is provided the discrete and information space to reflected on the current meditation practices and collaborate across an institution and the conceptuals and divided and advanced negotiations. The forum is the co-hosted and by the Royals Norwegians and Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Center for the Humanism and Dialogues HD. The Central for the Humanism Dialogues HD is the private diplomacy organizations that the specializes in mediations and dialogues process to prevent and resolve arms conflict. HD was established in 1999 and based in the Geneva, Switzerland, and operates and globally hence. All discussions are confidential and take places under the Chatham and House rules, and the Chatham and House and UK is an the independence policy institution and other forums for the debates and the dialogues. When other meeting is held and under the Chatham House rule, and the participants and are free to use and the information received and but the neither the identity nor the affiliations and of the speakers and nor that of any other participant and may be the revealed. Participations in this the forums and is why the initiative only. This is the first time and India and Pakistan were invited and to the talks. Oslo, Friedrichs Tach and the Christiansens and the Dremena and Starvengens and Bergens and Floor and Alesand and Flam the Oslo, Trondheim and Sweden and Finland. Norway, Bodo, Harstad and the Tromsø and Hammerfest and Vardø. Norwegian Sea. 60. Consider the following statement regarding the Sakshams and Anganwadi and Poshans 2.0, and it is the centrally sponsored schemes implemented by the state and the union territories. This is 6 to address the challenges of the malnutrition in children and adolescent girls and pregnant women and lactating women mothers. It is being and the implemented by the Ministry of the Home and the Family Welfares. First and second is correct. Explanation देख लेते हैं. Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 and is other centrally sponsored schemes implemented by the state and the union territories. It seeks to address the challenges of the malnutrition in children and the adolescent and girls and pregnant women and lactating mothers and through other strategic shifts in nutrition and content and the delivery and by the creations of other convergence and ecosystems and to develop and the promotes and practices that the nurtures and the health, wellness and the immunity. It provided other package of the 6 services and namely the supplementary and nutrition and preschools and non the formal educations and nutrition and health education, immunizations and health checkup and the referrals and services, and it is provided the services and to all the allegations and beneficiaries, namely and children in the age groups of the 0 से लेकर के 6 year, pregnant women and lactating mothers, and through the platforms of Anganwadi center across the countries, and it is the being implemented and by the Ministry of the Women and Child Development. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 देख लेते हैं.